Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to get off the Spark driver waitlist. So if you've applied but are still waiting for approval, then just follow along. First, make sure you've completed every step of the application process, including identity verification, background check content, and uploading all required documents. Then check your email regularly in case Spark driver requests additional information. And unfortunately, there's no guaranteed way to skip the waitlist. Approval usually depends on driver demand in your delivery area. And if positions become available, Spark will generally contact applicants in the order they're selected for onboarding. And if you've been waiting much longer than expected, try contacting Spark driver support to confirm that your application is complete and no information is missing. Once a position opens in your area, you'll receive an instruction on completing the final onboarding steps. So that was how to get off the Spark driver waitlist. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.